with me to feed my chickens. So I get their chicken food, and now I have to take it into their pen. And this is the hard part because I have to walk over a fence, but I can do it because I'm magical. I did it. Now I gotta pour the food out. Pour the food out. Spread over my feet a little bit. Just, yeah, put the container up there. Now, walk into their pen where they come in to lay eggs. Gotta unlock this latch here. Put this back like that. Open the door. Walk away. And there's our flock of all the birdies. We got duck, chicken, a rooster, a turkey. But yeah, that's my flock. I love all my chickens. Hey, yeah, bye-bye.